What's up, guys? It's Mark, the Mercado channel. I'm back guys, with another good video for you guys today. For all my honor box people out there and all my subscribers in general that always have questions and concerns and always reach out to me. Today I'm going to be doing a video that's another video that's pretty interesting. I'm going to be telling you guys the good things and the bad things about this honor box business, because people think it's all easy and you're only putting candy in the box and so it comes with a lot. It's not all easy, it's not all as good as you guys think. So today we're going to be talking about some of the good things and some of the bad things about the honor box business. So don't go anywhere, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, so here, like I said in my previous video, I have a honor box here that's Candy for a Cause. It's the Pink Ribbon Breast Cancer Awareness box, and this is the box that me and my family donate to the organization Candy for a Cause through Sheridan Systems. I will put a link, as always, in my description if you guys are interested in this box. But we're going to begin by stating that these boxes are very beautiful, but of course, guys, the downfall is that they're only cardboard, guys. You know what I mean? It's only a piece of cardboard designed with a bunch of stuff to make it look nice. So already one flaw in this business, guys, is that, yes, you're making money, so sometimes you guys don't think about, losing boxes or worrying about people ruining them. But yes, we worry about it, guys, because these boxes can get ruined very easily. We have had now about 4 or 5, maybe even 6 or 7 boxes ruined, and that adds up, guys. These boxes are only $7.84, but it adds up when you have a lot of boxes out there that are ruined, or people ruin them, bend them, break them, rip them, and do a bunch of stuff. So automatically, guys, one of the downfalls in this business is that if you are doing cardboard boxes, they're not the greatest, sturdiest, heavy-duty boxes like the acrylic ones that are plastic and hard and more safer, and it keeps your money more secure. The good thing about these boxes, guys, the good thing is that they are cheap, which is great. You can start a small business with not that much money, so it is an easy way to get into the vending business. That is very, very, very good. That is one of my favorite things about this business, is that it was extremely easy to get into, and the boxes were extremely easy to purchase, and they were very cheap. So we do like that. That is one amazing thing, is that these boxes do not cost a lot of money like vending machines and candy machines and all types of different machines. This is the easiest way to get into the vending business, guys. That is my favorite part. Now we're gonna touch on the displays and the good and bad things about different products inside of your boxes, guys. So don't go anywhere. Like I showed you guys in my previous video, this here is a lollipop display. As you can see, there is 63 pops here, very beautiful, laid out on a display, on a lollipop insert. And I'm going to explain to you guys what my favorite thing and my not so favorite thing is about this display, okay, guys? So I know a lot of people that do just lollipops, and like I said in my previous video, this right here, you want to experience this first. If you're getting into the honor box business, I do recommend starting with just lollipops to see if you really even like the business and it's for you. Now, we don't do just lollipops. We do have a couple locations that we need to do them at, and I'm going to also talk about that. That is a negative thing about this business, is that when you are doing just chocolates, and I will show you just chocolates. When you do a display here with just chocolates, guys, you're going to come across chocolates that are discombobulated, that are melting at locations, that just lose its forms. I don't know if you guys can see. And yeah, guys, it's just chocolates. Doing just chocolates isn't always the greatest. These 3 pieces of candy had melted at locations. And guys, it's just not the greatest thing. We do make a lot of money with doing varieties of chocolates and pops. But like I said, guys, the easiest way to get into it and really feel for this business is starting with a lollipop display, guys. I do recommend starting with a lollipop display because the good thing is you can buy a box of pops, which I have right behind me, as you guys can see. And this box here of blow pops comes with 100. And guys, it's only $9. It's probably different for everyone. Some they pay cheaper, some is more, and it's only 9 cents per pop. You can't beat 9 cents per pop, guys, when you buy it from your wholesale store. Blow pops really sell very good, but the only thing I do not like about blow pops is that occasionally, guys, some of these blow pops do come open in the box. I would say for a box of 100 pops, sometimes you could go get 3 or 4 that are like open or unraveled or have a rip in them, and you got to throw it out. And when you have to throw things out, guys, you're losing money, whether it's, you know, only 9 cents or whatever it is, but you're still cutting into your profits, guys. So that's the one thing I really do not like about the pops, or at least about these pops, are that every once in a while there will be some open pops inside of the box. I do want to say, guys, I do have another least favorite thing about these boxes, and that is the cash box, guys. The cash box where it says please pay here, right there, guys. I am not a big fan of it because I will show you why. Not only is this box, you know, like I said, cardboard. Look how easy it is. Obviously it's cardboard. It's easy to just open it and close it, and really people can get into your money box here at any point in time wherever your box is located. And that is where the zip ties come in, and I will show you those zip ties. If anybody doesn't know what zip ties are, this right here is a zip tie. This is what me, myself, and a lot of other honor box vendors use to keep their boxes secure, is a zip tie. I'm going to show you guys right now how we put the zip ties in our boxes. These boxes do come with holes that are pre-made right there. And what we pretty much do is we run the zip ties right through the bottom, through the hole here. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's pretty easy, guys. Just like that, guys. Once you pull it through, what you're going to do is just put it through the zip. And I don't know if you guys can hear, but you lock it, you cut the zip tie, and now, guys, your box is now secure. Okay? It's now secure. If someone tugs on it, there's a zip tie there that holds it in place. But, guys, the zip tie doesn't just always work. That's the good thing about keeping your money secure. But the bad thing, unfortunately, I'm not going to show you me ripping my box open, guys. But people, you guys get the concept. You guys get the point that someone could absolutely rip this thing open, rip through your box, and ruin your box, guys. We've had it done before. I do have boxes that are ripped because people just really do not care sometimes, and you just gotta care, guys. If it does not belong to you, do not touch it. You know what I mean? These boxes are not owned by you guys. If you own your box, you move and operate your box. If you do not own the box, just look at it. If you're going to support. But it's kind of, you know, obnoxious and immature when people are like ripping boxes open and stealing a bunch of candy out of a box. If you don't have the money, don't take the candy. It's that simple, guys. It's easier said than done, but if you do not have money to support a cause, do not take the candy. You know what I mean? And if you do take the candy, make sure you come back the same day and pay for it, or pay for it next time. Don't just walk away and take candy, guys. Before I forget, I don't know if I already told you guys though, but this lollipop insert only really allows you to put about 63 pops in there, which again is a small little downfall if you're looking to maximize your collections and time going out on your route. I try to put at least 90 to 100 pieces of candy in each box, but with this you could only really put 63 pops unless you put some along the sides, but then now you're stretching your box out and you're almost putting like wear and tear on your box. So I really don't recommend putting anything extra on the sides when you're already doing a bunch of pops. As you guys can see, it will stretch your box out, and after time your box is gonna just really take a toll, and then you're just eventually gonna have to replace it. If you guys want to get into like acrylic boxes, heavy duty ones, they are more expensive, but you could check out Sheridan Systems. They do have acrylic boxes for like $28 or $29. We don't have any. I would love to get some, but right now we don't have any. But yeah, guys, I do recommend not putting any more than 63 pops. I do know some people that just pour a box of blow pops of 100 right in the middle, but again, we don't do that, but you could do that, guys. It's literally taking an empty box like this and filling it up with nothing but pops inside of it. Just throwing them all in. That's another way to maximize your collection, because now you have 100 pops in the box, and you divide 100 divided by 3, you're looking at 33, 50, 33, and some change. You know what I mean, guys? So you do want to maximize your collections. So you're not spending every day out and about. You want to really kind of make it a more passive business. You know what I mean? Instead of going out every single day. To end the video, I'm pretty much going to tell you my absolute least favorite thing about this business is how much candy you have to go through, guys. Obviously, every business that has to do with food or vending, you know, you need inventory to run your business. But guys, you really do spend a lot of money on candy. It's worth it because you make a good amount of money. It's like a 55-45 or close to 50-50 profit margins, which isn't the greatest, but honestly, for a small business, for not really doing much, it's definitely worth it, guys. I definitely do recommend getting into the boxes, but like I said, my least favorite is how much money we spend on candy. And sometimes when you go to the stores, they don't always have the candies you're looking for, because you know, the previous shopping trip you wiped them out, maybe they didn't get any in the next week or so. But that's why I do recommend buying candy from your wholesale, like BJ's, Sam's Club, Costco's, all those good places that always have inventory for you. I recommend going there. Try not to shop at Walmart. We learned the hard way because they're very expensive, and yeah, the cost per piece isn't the greatest, guys. You really want to pay a little bit for your candy so you make more money. And you also have to consider the theft. I told you about my least favorite of the business, but the worst thing about this business, guys, is the theft. The worst part about this business, guys, like I said, is the theft. When people steal your candy. It's absolutely so easy for someone to go just like that and walk away and not put money in your box. That's the worst thing in the world. When you spend so much money on this candy here, and you don't make as much money as you should because people, it's just exposed and you can just take candy. That is the worst part about this business, guys. It literally is. Anyone can tell you what's the worst thing about the Honor Box business. Theft. T-H-E-F-T. Theft is the worst thing about the Honor Box vending business, guys. That's going to end the video. I hope you guys like this one. Sorry for holding you up so long. But thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next one, I'll see you guys soon.